So there I was, ready to record another YouTube video when I realized my friction arm was no longer working. I pretty quickly sort of threw in the towel and ordered a replacement part and let my patrons know, but then I got a reply from a patron that told me, hey, why don't you just give it a go yourself and create your own replacement part? And you know what? I thought that was a great idea. So taking a closer look at what exactly the problem was, it looks like the brass nut that the friction arm uses had completely worn away. Now luckily I had a replacement nut that worked on that thread, and now all I had to do was basically design a knob that would fit this nut. Design wise, this was as simple as it got. I just quickly gave myself a reference hexagon that was basically going to be the nut reference inside of Blender, and then from there I just got some rough dimensions of the knob that I wanted to design, and I use CAD Sketch's constraints to very quickly create a shape a little bit like this. Now after I had that in place, I just fiddled around till I got a size that I thought worked pretty well, and then lastly I remembered that there is obviously the rest of the screw that's going to come out the other side of the nut, so I did another hole just on the other side to let the screw carry on going through. Once that was done, I just put it onto my Ender 3 S1 to print. And there we have it. Overall, I'm quite happy with that end result there. I did not really expect that I would totally forget about 3D printing and sort of throw in the towel so quickly when that there is perfect use for 3D printing. Now, unfortunately, the replacement part is already here. It's one of the good things about Manfrotto is that they literally have replacement parts for everything online. But I think I'm going to carry on using this. I might change it for a brass nut though, because I don't want to break everything else that's around there, but I don't know. Who knows? I'll see what's going to go on from here. I might just go and use this one for a little bit more, and then once that breaks, use the 3D printed one. This video is a little bit shorter than most, and I've got a lot going on my plate. If you want to know what exactly is going on in my life, go and check out the community tab or over in the Discord in the info section. A huge thank you to my patrons. You guys are absolutely awesome, and without you right this minute, I truly would not be able to make Maker Tales. Thank you so much for your support. It means the world to me. And if you're enjoying what I'm making here and you think I'm worthy of your support, I would love to see you there too. Thank you for watching. Keep making and let the quest continue.